बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। क्लास 11 फिजिकल एजुकेशन ऑफलाइन क्लास है। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है कॉज ऑफ ओबेसिटी एंड द डिफरेंट प्रिवेंटिव मेथड्स दैट prevent methods of obesity. How we can prevent measures and methods of obesity. How we can avoid the obesity. Which are the methods which we follow by which we can avoid the obesity. Again, the basic cause of obesity is wrong dietary habits and less physical activities. Overeating takes lot of fibrous food. Take lot of fats, junk foods, drink alcohol, less physical activity. This lifestyle is the cause of obesity, and there are many hormonal variations. Drugs, some people inherit from problems, some people inherited it, and some people caused it by their lack of their good habits. There are so many preventive methods which can avoid the obesity. Number first is a balanced diet. अगर हम balanced diet के obese person should strictly take balanced diet with very less amount of carbohydrates and fats. We should avoid much more diet. We should take it in a proper proportion, and we should make it balanced diet. There must be the proper and equal proportion of each and every component of diet, जैसे कि carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals. But we have to consume the less carbohydrates and less fats in order to avoid the obesity. Number two, eating lot of fibrous foods. Food items like fruits, salad, vegetables, etc. are the source of fibrous foods. With high fiber contents provide vitamins and minerals to our body. They are low in energy to prevent the obesity. So we should avoid a lot of fibrous food in order to avoid the obesity. We should eat foods like fruits, salads, vegetables, which are the less source of energy, which gives us the high contents of fibrous food, but it is also low in the energy. Number three, avoid fats. Avoid fried foods. A direct like butter, cream, ghee, animal fat, etc. should not be taken. For the sake of taste, only refined oil or mustard oil should be used for cooking. We must avoid the butter, cheese, ghee, animal fats in order to make our body balanced. In order to avoid the obesity, we have to use less. We have to intake less obesity. We have to take less obesity, less fatty vegetables. We have to take the less fatty items like butter, ghee, animal fat. हमें ये सब अवॉइड करना चाहिए. Then there is the chances of to decrease the physical. Number four, physical activity. An obese person should regularly perform physical activity. And avoid sedentary lifestyle. We should avoid low self-activity. We should avoid the low physical activity. We should have to make proper physical activities, proper exercise, proper workouts, so that it reduces the intake calories, so that it expenditures the intake calories. जो हम intake calories करते हैं उसको properly हम utilize करें. अगर हम proper अगर हम properly जो calories लेते हैं, अगर उनको properly utilize नहीं करेंगे, activity नहीं करेंगे, then there will be the growth of adipose tissue. Number five, avoid junk food. Junk foods is in high calories. Moreover, अगर हम देखें, it may cause many health problems. The foods like burger, pastry, chocolates, cold drinks, etc. should be avoided. These are the junk foods that gives us much more energy, and after that, if we did not utilize that proper energy, if we did not burn the calories, then there will be the growth of obesity. Drink water. Drink lot of water. It prevents acidity, reduce the stress over the kidney, stomach. Moreover, it helps cleaning the body waste product by excretion, by sweating, by other ways. These things the water excretes from our body. We should intake much more water in order to reduce the fats, in order to reduce the waste products in our body. That is also the cause of the obesity. Numbers, avoid spicy foods. Many spicy foods cause different diseases and illnesses. and disorders in our body. So we should avoid the different kind of spicy foods. Regular checkups. We should make regular checkups for the medical checkups for 6 months, 4 months. After a gap of 4 months, 5 months, we have to make a regular checkup. Number 7, avoid drinking. Obese person should strictly avoid drinking, smoking, alcohol, smoking, alcohol, chewing tobacco. We should avoid these things so that it can give us fitness our body. Meal in small. The diet should be taken in small shifts, but after some intervals, rather than big heavy meals, we should take it into the small intervals. We should take it small amounts. After that, when our stomach feels the pain of our hunger, then we should intake much more food. Okay, thank you.